Hi everyone. Are you searching for a simple yet powerful way to manifest your dreams in 2025 and beyond? If so, you found the right video. Today I'm going to share an easy manifestation technique that will take just a few minutes but can help you bring your desires to life. This method works with the law of attraction and uses scripting, a highly effective tool for turning your goals into reality. I've used it many times, and I can confidently say it works. Stay with me until the end because I'll share some bonus tips to supercharge your manifestation process. If you're new here, welcome to my channel, your one-stop channel for manifestation techniques, rituals, and spiritual practices. Please take a moment to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out on more life-changing content. Now let's dive in. I don't know why. We're in the beginning of the year, everyone is saying, oh my God, I didn't do this last year, and I'm going to do this year. What is the best technique to use? This technique is scripting. Why scripting works? Scripting works because it aligns your conscious and subconscious mind with your desires. Once you imagine and write down what you want as if it's already yours, you bring that possibility closer to reality. It's not magic. It's universal laws at work. When your thoughts, feelings, and beliefs match your desires, they manifest in your life. Think of scripting as a bridge between the spiritual and physical realms. It turns intangible dreams into tangible outcomes. You don't need fancy tools to start scripting. Here's what you'll need: a piece of paper or a journal, a pen or pencil. Parchment paper is optional if you want to get creative. A clear idea of what you want to manifest. Set your intention. Decide what you truly want. Be specific. Instead of saying, I want more money, say, I am so happy and grateful now that I earn $10,000 per month. Write in the present tense. Write your desires as if you already have them. For example, I am thrilled to live in my dream home. I am so excited to have a successful business that brings me joy. Express gratitude for receiving your desire. Feel the excitement and joy as you write. Your emotions are the energy that amplifies your manifestation. As you write, picture yourself living your dream. Imagine every detail, the sights, sounds, and feelings. Here's a sample of how your script might look. I am so happy and grateful that I now have my dream job. I feel confident, fulfilled, and excited to wake up every day. My workplace is amazing, and I am surrounded by supportive, kind people. Thank you, universe, for making this my reality. You can write a short script or a longer one. It's entirely up to you. Once your script is written, read it aloud 3 times a day. Morning, afternoon, and evening are ideal times. If you miss a session, don't stress. Just pick up where you left off. To enhance your scripting practice, try these tips. Create a ritual. Light a candle or play soothing music to create a positive atmosphere. Yellow candles are great for insight, orange for success, and green for abundance. Keep your script close. Carry it in your wallet, keep it under your pillow, or place it somewhere you'll see it often. Visualize daily. Spend 1 minute visualizing your dream life while reading your script. This reinforces your desire in your subconscious mind. Let me share a quick story. In 1999, I wrote a script about achieving my career goals. At the time, I had no idea how it would happen, but I stayed consistent with the practice. A few months later, I got a job offer that completely changed my life. The power of scripting is real. It's a tool I've relied on ever since. Manifestation isn't just about writing your desires. It's about taking inspired action. If you're scripting about a promotion, update your resume and apply for the position. If you're scripting about financial freedom, start budgeting or exploring income opportunities. The universe works through you, so meet it halfway by taking action toward your goals. When your desires manifest, celebrate them. You can keep your script as a keepsake, burn it as an offering to the universe, or mark it as complete. Reflect on your success and let it motivate you for future manifestations. Here's a bonus tip. Write your script as if you're penning a letter to your future self. Imagine it's the end of 2025 and you're reflecting on an amazing year. Write about all the things you've accomplished and how grateful you are for them. I'd love to hear from you. Have you tried scripting before? What have you manifested using this technique? Share your success stories in the comments to inspire and uplift others. Thank you for spending your time with me today. If you found this video helpful, please support the channel by liking, subscribing, and sharing it with others who want to transform their lives. Explore more videos on manifestation, affirmations, and spiritual techniques. Let's make 2025 the year you turn your dreams into reality. Wishing you all the best on your manifestation journey. See you in the next video.